In this video, I will show how to quickly swap the position of two values in Excel. So we want to swap this cell like here we have the value and here we have the we want to swap the value 95 in F7 to back it for F3. Select the cell, then press and hold shift. Now once your cursor move to 4 arrow, drag and drop and keep anywhere like this. Like we want to swap this 39. Select this cell, now press and hold shift, drag and drop and keep anywhere. So this is the way you can shift any cell in any way in your Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.